All right, how we doing? How we doing? In this video, I'm going to show you guys what at least I think is the best business model, really the best business to start and service to sell. So I guess the overall best business model, according to me, in 2025. And I know you guys have probably seen like a bunch of these videos. I certainly have, or at least I've seen them on YouTube. But this is going to be a way where you can capitalize on this massive TikTok shop rush. And, you know, it's perfect for those of you who don't want to be like full-time content creators, right? Like you don't want to have 10 clients where you have to make videos every single day for all of them, or you have to go out and you know, if you're just a TikTok affiliate and you have to just rely on going viral every single month. Like, okay, like I need another viral video, kind of just like making videos all day, every day, just praying one goes viral so that you can actually make a good amount of money consistently. So this model, this is what I've been talking about this a good amount on the channel. So I kind of want to just break it down like in depth and compare it to another business model that I'm sure you guys are all aware of if you're in the make money online world. It's extremely similar, like actually like the exact same thing as growth operating, but instead of partnering with a content creator and kind of helping them like build out their private community, their high ticket course, whatever it is, just running all of their activity on the back end. This is where we're going to go in. I call it a TikTok shop affiliate manager. You can call it whatever you want. You can call it TikTok operating, TikTok shop surgeon. You could call it a TikTok technician. You can get creative with the names, right? But at the end of the day, the business model is partnering with a brand, helping them build out everything from scratch on TikTok shop and running everything on the back end, like literally the exact, and I'm going to show you guys like how I do this, like what I've found has worked really well and how you can actually like go out and find clients to pitch this to. But the reason I think this is going to work so well right now and, you know, into the new year is that nobody's really talking about it. Nobody's really doing it. And it's something like it's a service that every business that wants to get involved with TikTok shop, like this is something they need. Right? So there's a lot of different like packages and ways that you can position this. But at the end of the day, you're putting them in the exact same position as a growth operator would. If you wanted to be a growth operator and partner with a creator with a following, you're putting them in a position where all they have to do is make content. You handle everything else on the back end, right? You do the sales, you build the funnels, you might run the communities. So that creator is in a spot where it's like, dude, all you got to do, wake up, make content. Right? Pretty straightforward. Now, with these brands, you're doing the exact same thing. There's a bunch of different ways you can go about like building out the affiliate program, setting up creator rewards programs to actually keep creators incentivized, get creators posting videos with the brand's products. You're putting them ideally in a spot where all they have to do is make the product and figure out the shipping. It's like, I'll take care of everything else. Right? I'll go out, I'll find creators for you to work with. I'll help them make videos. I might even make videos if you're a creator yourself. So all they have to do, they wake up, they look at their TikTok, and they will hopefully see sales coming in. So that's the model that I'm going to show you guys how to do in this video. So step one, how do you actually, this is the most important part, right? Because you can, once you have clients to work with, you can figure out how to do any business model, any online business model that is, right? The hardest part is just finding the clients. I made a full, like, it's like a 45-minute video, very tactical video, in my opinion, to go out and actually find clients to work with. I'll leave it up here or I'll link it wherever. I'll probably just link it down in the description where you guys can check it out. But that like shows you step by step. I just don't want to repeat myself in every video for those of you who have watched it. Not many people actually did watch it. That's the thing with that's the thing with videos like that where it's like, you know, you think it's like a very actionable video and nobody watches it, right? So you guys can check that out. I show you 3 like very solid methods to go out and actually find brands to work with and how to pitch them step by step. So check that out. But just getting into how this business model like works, like what your job is, right? So now, all right, you go out, you find a client, you find someone who's interested in working together. So what do you actually do? Step number 1 here is, okay, we need as many creators as possible and as fast as possible to have the product and to be ready to make videos. Like we need them to want to make videos with this product. Now there's just so many products that anybody could promote as a TikTok shop affiliate. So just offering commission like isn't gonna be enough. Even if you're offering like 50% commission on a new product, people are gonna see that. probably look at it for a second. All right, scroll past it and look at the other 100 invites that they got that day. So, when you guys are in the TikTok shop and you get like messages like this from all these different brands, right? Like all these DMs, hey, you received 17 invites here today. And then you click on it and you get all these collab invites, right? So this is kind of step one. It's like, all right, you need to send out as many invitations as possible to potential affiliates so that you can like get your brand out there. You can get creators requesting samples and kind of build up interest around the product. So this is kind of how you go about doing that. So the software here that I use to like manage literally everything on the back end is Uptick. Here are a few campaigns that I have running right now. These are all like active campaigns, but the one where you actually go out and you will message creators for the first time. Basically what you do is you connect this software. It's basically just a full TikTok CRM. You connect it to the TikTok shop, then you can kind of manage everything through here. So if we look here, on this intro message that I've sent out to creators where we're just trying to get them to request a sample, because that's the first thing you need to do. Step into this brand. It's like, all right, I'm going to get you 100 sample requests and 100 creators as fast as possible. This is how you go and do it. So, and if we look at the metrics, just to show you, this actually does work. The amount of invites that we've sent. Wait for this to load up. All right. So yeah, already. So the amount of invites sent, this is really where it all starts, where everything kind of trickles down. 43,000 invites. We've gotten 2,600 sample requests. Nearly 6,000 creators have the product in their showcase and over 900 videos. So I think that's probably closer to 1,000 now because I don't think it accounted for the past weekend where we just launched a big Black Friday offer here. We sent that out to a few thousand. So again, this intro message where we've sent 43,000 messages to creators, that's to go out, introduce the product, just message them directly, be like, hey, we offer 25% commission, but this is what I recommend all brands doing. And this is something where you can work with the brand and be like, all right, we need to build out some form of rewards. Okay, I'll just show you, for example. The intro here, next. I'm only messaging creators who have done at least $1,000 to $10,000 or 10K plus, just so we can get some creators who have seen sales. And here there's over 46,000 affiliates. So again, this is what I'm sending out for our December creator rewards. You guys can make this kind of however you want and structure it with whatever makes sense for the brand. But I'm saying we're offering 25% commission and massive cash bonuses for creators. Don't try to sell them your product on this intro message because creators just don't really care. They just want to go with the products that have some, have a viral factor with it and where they can make a ton of money at the end of the day. That's all that matters, right? So this is how I kind of structured it. $300 GMV, $100 bonus, 1K, all the way up to 25K plus. So creators are going to see this message just like the message I just showed you on my TikTok. And they're going to be like, wow, this is, these are some pretty good rewards. This is where you're going to get the highest conversion rate from intro collab message sent, message like this, to a sample request where creators are like, hey, send me a free sample. I want to make videos because these, I can hit these goals, right? I can hit $300. That's not that hard to hit in month one. So that's what I have there. And this is kind of the first thing. This is what you would be doing. So again, I've mentioned this in a few other videos that we've done, but these are just different touch points basically where you go in and, I'm messaging creators as soon as we ship a sample, as soon as the sample arrives, as soon as they post a video, 7 days after they post a video, 14 days after they post a video. So I'm just constantly in contact with all of these creators. And, these are automated messages that are sent, then going to be kind of going back and forth with creators here. And once this loads up, it'll be close to 2,000 creators where, if you're thinking how do I stay on top of 2,000 creators? You're really just going in, this is something I personally will just do in the morning and at night. I'll go through the messages. It's usually just going to be about sample request or if they're looking for content ideas. So that's another thing I put together here. And this is what I send out with these. So what you can do, for example, with this content pending message that I have here, I do is send a flywheel. So if I look at this, I send this link to them and it's a portfolio of videos that they can use as inspiration, just top performing videos. If you're starting with a new brand where they have no videos, just go out and find a competitor with a similar product, make a portfolio. You can do it right through here under this flywheels tab. And then you can go out and you can be like, hey, here's 15 videos that perform super well for this similar product. Send that to all the creators once they actually go in and accept a sample. So now they have a sample coming. They're super incentivized to make videos because of that rewards program you kind of built out there. And now they have like video ideas right away. Like that's how you start to go in and build that momentum. Because if you're starting at zero with this brand, right? Like you're building everything out for them. This is how you go out and find affiliates, messaging them, like staying in contact. I'll jump back into the chat. It's literally still loading here, but yeah, we have like 1,300 affiliates that have even responded like through DMs. So you're kind of going in like a good amount there. So that's a little bit on kind of like the technical side of how to build it out and like start reaching out to creators. But at the end of the day, like the way that you want to structure this, it's literally the exact same as a growth operator for like if you're partnering up with a creator like me, for example, right? If someone's going to build out, there's a bunch of different ways to do it. You can build out a bunch of low ticket, high ticket funnels. You can have like a sales team if it's something high ticket. Whatever they got to do to just make you more money, right? That's kind of their job. Here, your main job, whatever you got to do to go out and find as many affiliates as possible and the highest quality affiliates. So first, what I recommend doing is starting with that organic route, going high volume, messaging thousands of creators to try to get those first, 100, 200 sample requests so you can get some videos right away. But from there, then you can say, okay, now we have 100 creators, say 70 of them posted a video, right? Trying to keep them incentivized with all the rewards programs, but a couple weeks later, okay, these creators have performed really well. These videos have performed really well. Let's reach out to them. Let's bring them on, give them a monthly retainer. So now we can get a guaranteed 20, 30 videos a month. Then you can kind of really start to build that out. But yeah, it's the same thing. Say you charge a brand $1,000 a month to just be their affiliate manager, just to build everything out for them, manage all the affiliates. And you can negotiate a rev share or a commission on all sales through the TikTok shop. And that's where you can go in and start to make some pretty serious income. But I kind of wanted to just put this like business model. Like I said, I don't really see anybody talking about it right now. And I think it's a massive opportunity. And it's literally the exact same thing. Like I know it seems like everybody wants to be a growth operator because it's a great way to make money if you don't want to be the creator. Like if you don't want to have your own coaching program, okay, you can step in and help a few creators build that out and focus more on behind the scenes. With this, it's the exact same thing. You might not want to go out and build a completely new brand from scratch to take advantage of this huge TikTok shop wave. What you can do is partner with brands where you don't have to worry about building the product. You don't need to worry about like any of the shipping, logistics, any stuff on the back end. And you can just help them come on to TikTok shop, find affiliates to work with, and manage everything for them on the back end. So that's where I see the opportunity. So again, hopefully you guys like this video here. If you're still here, appreciate you sticking around all the way till the end. Like the video for me, subscribe to the channel, join our school group. I have a bunch of tutorials on like how to do all of this from start to finish, show you the exact scripts I use for every single step here. So if you guys want to check that out, you can get started for free. I'll throw it down in the description below. Check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.